Good morning, everyone. Welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am already out and about, and I thought I should go to Trader Joe's. Want to go with me? I have been seeing a lot of Instagrammers showing a lot of their new Christmassy treats and sweets that I can't wait to get my hands on. So I'm going to get some of those things. Plus, I want to buy some things to stock up our freezer a little bit more. After Thanksgiving, I'm just trying to replenish some of those pretty easy meals to go to, plus some of the things that I need to have in our freezer just to stock up. So let's head over now and see what I find. How cute is this as a gift? A syrup sampler. Oh, that's awesome. They also have honey ones. That is so pretty. Okay, I am so excited to show you what I have, but I am going to break it up over two hauls because I got so much great Christmas stuff that I want to show you and do taste tests at the same time. So right now I'm just going to show you what I bought from the freezer section and some snacks, and then join me soon for a taste test / Christmas grocery haul. So let me start off by saying I totally almost walked in Trader Joe's with no mask on. Have you guys done that? The guy at the door was like, "Excuse me, your mask," and I'm like, oh my gosh, I had to go back to the car. I totally forgot. Has that happened to you? That's probably one of my first times that it's ever happened to me. Anyways, let's get started by showing you some of the freezer things that I purchased so I could hurry up and get them into the freezer. First off, I picked up these cheese enchiladas. These are super great just to have on hand, and a lot of these meals are going to be convenience kind of food, but because they're from Trader Joe's, I always feel like they're just a little bit on the healthier side, right? No nitrates or no MSG or no extra preservatives. So that's what this is. Yummy, cheesy enchiladas. And of course, I had to get the organic sweet corn. Now, I used about half a bag of this for Thanksgiving, plus I added 2 cans of corn just to kind of give it some variations in corn. It's one of my favorites. I love this corn, and every time I go to Trader Joe's, I try to pick up a couple. Another thing I picked up is some ham. Now, I'm going to be showing you very soon a very easy breakfast that you can make with these sliced hams. I can't wait to show you. It'll probably be coming out in my story, so be looking for a little short video. I picked up 2 of these yummy strawberries. These are my favorite. They're little, teeny tiny. They're very red, and I think I had seen a process on how they do it, like a chef was doing it. They put it like in an air sealed bag and like let it kind of just absorb. I don't know what it would absorb, but look at how red they are. They're just like the picture, that red. This is a really good mac and cheese, so I picked up one. One is good for mostly Jonas, and about half of it is for Ezra. So I'll pick up both, I'll cook both, and then I'll have a little bit of something if Ezra doesn't eat all of his. So those are for the middle boy or the little boys, and then I picked up these for Kobe. He loves these mac and cheese bites. They have a good crisp to them. I don't know if you would eat them with ketchup, though. That seems a little bit weird. We'll just say that's like a marinara, right? That's probably what it is. So let me go put these away, and we'll keep going. So now let's finish up this haul by showing you more freezer first, and then there's some snacks and stuff. So I picked up these chicken and cheese tamales. I picked up 2 of them because these are really good. So let me see, they're 240 calories per tamale. Sometimes I'll just have one. Maybe I might have 2, depending on how hungry I am. But Paul could take both of these into work if he wants to. Easy, delicious. I like them. Another thing that I know Paul likes is these roasted potatoes with the bell peppers and onions. So if I have like, you know, some meat cooking and I'm not sure for a side, here's a great and easy side. So yummy. I picked up the spicy beef and broccoli. So this may be a Paul thing, maybe Paul and Jonas thing, because sometimes he likes, and I'll show you some other things. But this would be great for about 2 people. That's one thing that I actually like about Trader Joe's is that they are kind of smaller in this sense that I could just buy them for Paul's lunches. This will make 2 lunches for him, or a dinner and a lunch. So that's great if you're thinking, well, my family's a little bit on the smaller side, or if you're a little bit more on the mature side and don't have little kids anymore. This is a great meal option that you could just quickly put together and healthy. So I know Paul likes that one, the beef and broccoli. And I picked up 2. So if I'm gonna do these, I pick up 2 for the family. But normally I'll just make 1 at a time anyways, and then I'll make up the other one for Paul. So this is the orange chicken. It is so good. One of our faves for sure. Another fave is this chicken teriyaki. I am such a huge fan of like barbecue, Hawaiian barbecue bowls. This has a very similar taste to him, the way that the meat is prepared. And so a lot of times I will add vegetables into the sauce and then serve that over rice. So rice with the orange chicken, rice with the teriyaki chicken. And this is another Paul and Jonas, the Kung Pao chicken. Very spicy. They love it. And now remember, I could also make this into 2 portions for Paul's lunches. But again, I will serve this with rice. And all of these are somewhere about $4.99 to about $6 per pack. So it's actually pretty cost effective for our family to eat. I picked up some more carrots since I used my other 2 bags for Thanksgiving. I made some yummy roasted carrots. They were so good. Another thing I picked up, I saw these gluten-free breads. They were about $4.50, which is about $2 cheaper than what I always buy at the store. Somewhere, because it's over $5. So I thought, let's have Paul try these gluten-free breads when we are having like hamburgers or a sandwich or grilled cheese if I'm making soup. So this is something that I just put them in the freezer and use as we need for Paul. And I saw this, the streusel bread, you guys. This is so good. It's like eating a donut to me. So it's got all that yummy sweetness around it. Great in the toaster. Great without even put in the toaster. I mean, it's so good. I think Jonas, he asked me about a week ago to pick him up some sparkling waters. Isn't that funny that my kid is asking to pick up sparkling waters? He does like the flavors to these. I will drink them as well, but I think we are alone on the liking that. As for the rest of the family, I don't think they're fans. But I did get for Ezra some granola bars and cereal bars. Ooh, ooh. In the past, I've always made the granola bars because I have a really great recipe. I just haven't done it lately. And I normally don't even buy cereal bars unless we are at Trader Joe's. Or going out of town. So these are, to me, whenever I go to Trader Joe's, I always feel really good about buying these 2 items there. I picked up these honey pretzel sticks. It seems like every time I go, I have to pick these up. The kids love them. And I picked up some tortilla chips. We could always use tortilla chips. Then I picked up a few bags of this rice pasta. I've been using a lot of these rice pastas lately. About half of this bag I will cook, add it with some cooked chicken, some cream of chicken soup, some cheese with veggies, and it makes the yummiest casserole. So good. And the last thing I picked up was some gluten-free pancake and waffle mix. So whenever we're having breakfast on the weekend, and if I make pancakes, then I'll make Paul his own version, or his gluten-free version as well. So, whew. You guys, this was quite the haul that we needed. I needed to stock up our freezer just for good go-to meals because I have a feeling that we're gonna need this with just kind of letting everybody just pick whatever they would like to eat. Maybe that way I can focus more on, deep down cleanings or, just some other things that are coming my way, some other projects with work. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel and going with me to Trader Joe's. If you go to Trader Joe's, let me know down below what are your go-to and your favorites. So have a wonderful day, rollers, and stick around because I'm going to be doing that Christmas yummies that you're not going to want to miss. So have a wonderful day and stick around because you just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.